nature. What is nature and how can we save it? Let's talk about that. Nature is wonderful beauty which comes from the earth. Anything that's from the earth or the universe, it's nature. Even you are nature. But suppose like clocks or houses, they're not nature, they're man-made. And how to save nature? Well, nature is being destroyed by plastic, garbage, and all the animals are getting hurt. So how can we save it? Once can everyone think about how can we save nature? Pause the video if you want. Unpause now. I have an idea. How about let's start putting the garbage in the garbage bin and the plastic not in the garbage bin, in the recycling bin. You understand what I'm saying? In the recycling bin. There will be recycling bin and garbage bin. Recycle plastic. Put it in the recycling bin. Then the machines will crush all the plastic and make new plastic. Well, you're using it again. You're not just throwing it down the dump. You're just using it. How about let me give you 5 more seconds to think about one more thing. One more point about nature. Okay, time's up. So, how can we save those trees? You can also save nature by planting trees. Then all these trees over here that you see in my background, even the tree I have, all these type of trees will get saved. And we will get more oxygen by trees. You know how? I'll tell you. When we plant trees, the trees take in carbon dioxide. That's not a good gas for us. The trees take all the carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which is good. Oxygen is good for our lungs and our heart. Without oxygen, we won't be living now. We would be. So, all you need to do is plant more trees. Recycle. Do you have one more point? Then share it in the comments when I on it. Okay? Please save trees, save plant, save nature. Thank you. This is the end of my speech. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications.